Turning industrial pallet wood into Japandi-style shelving for a modern home begins with a shift in perception, an intentional decision to see beyond grime, nail holes, and splintered edges and instead recognize quiet potential waiting beneath the surface. Weathered pallets, once burdened with the weight of shipments and exposed to harsh elements, carry a rugged honesty that perfectly contrasts with the serene restraint of Japandi design. Japandi, a harmonious fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality, values simplicity, natural materials, and calm balance, and it may seem unlikely that rough industrial pine could embody such elegance. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Yet it is precisely this contrast between raw origin and refined destination that makes the transformation so powerful. By stripping away grit, stabilizing imperfections, and shaping clean silhouettes from uneven boards, we reveal that sustainable luxury does not require pristine lumber or extravagant materials. It requires intention, discipline, and respect for the inherent story within reclaimed wood. The process begins with careful deconstruction. Pallets must be dismantled thoughtfully to preserve usable planks, as reckless prying can split already fragile boards. Each nail removed is a small act of reclamation, separating industrial past from artistic future. Once freed, the boards reveal their scars, darkened grain from exposure, embedded stains from cargo, and subtle warping from fluctuating climates. Rather than viewing these marks as flaws, we treat them as texture that can be balanced against minimalist precision. Cleaning becomes both practical and symbolic. Scrubbing away dirt and sanding away splinters gradually transforms the surface, allowing the pale tones of pine to reemerge. This stage is not about erasing history completely but about refining it, softening harshness while preserving character. Japandi design thrives on fluid silhouettes and uncluttered lines, so shaping pallet boards into shelving demands accuracy. Rough edges must be squared, and warped planks gently milled to create stable surfaces. The contrast between rugged origin and refined geometry becomes evident as each board is cut with care, edges smoothed to a satin finish. Minimalist precision guides every measurement, ensuring that shelves align seamlessly against the wall and brackets remain understated. The beauty of Japandi shelving lies in restraint. There is no excessive ornamentation, no decorative overload, only balanced proportions and negative space that allow the material to breathe. By maintaining slender profiles and subtle curves where appropriate, we echo the calm elegance characteristic of Japanese interiors while retaining the warmth associated with Scandinavian craftsmanship. Balancing rugged textures with minimalist form requires thoughtful design decisions. Some sections of wood may retain faint saw marks or grain irregularities, strategically placed to provide tactile depth against otherwise clean surfaces. This interplay between texture and smoothness creates visual interest without disrupting harmony. The shelves themselves become platforms for curated simplicity, supporting ceramics, books, or greenery while maintaining an uncluttered presence. Because pallet pine is typically lightweight yet durable, it lends itself well to floating shelf designs that appear to hover effortlessly against neutral walls. Concealed mounting hardware enhances the illusion of weightlessness, aligning with Japandi's preference for subtle functionality. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Sustainable luxury emerges from this transformation not merely because recycled materials are used, but because craftsmanship elevates them into something emotionally resonant. When homeowners understand that their shelving once carried industrial cargo and now carries treasured objects, the narrative deepens their connection to the piece. The wood's prior life becomes a hidden layer of meaning, enriching its modern purpose. In a world increasingly conscious of environmental impact, repurposing pallet wood into elegant shelving demonstrates that refinement and responsibility coexist beautifully. Instead of contributing to landfill waste, these boards gain renewed relevance, embodying a circular design philosophy that values longevity over disposability. The finishing stage plays a crucial role in achieving high-end serenity. Japandi aesthetics favor muted, natural tones that highlight grain rather than conceal it. Applying light stains or natural oils enhances the wood's subtle variations, bringing warmth without overpowering minimalism. Matte finishes preserve authenticity, avoiding glossy coatings that would clash with the understated ethos. As the grain deepens and the surface glows softly under oil, the transformation feels complete. What was once splintered and utilitarian now radiates quiet sophistication. Each shelf reflects hours of attentive sanding, precise cutting, and thoughtful finishing, proof that patience refines even the humblest material. Functionality remains central to Japandi philosophy, so the shelving must not only look serene but perform reliably. Reinforcing joints and ensuring weight-bearing integrity is essential, especially when working with reclaimed pine that may vary in density. Strategic lamination of thinner boards can create stronger panels while maintaining visual lightness. Hidden supports ensure stability without visual clutter, preserving the clean aesthetic. The result is shelving that feels sturdy yet delicate, capable of supporting daily use while embodying calm elegance. The emotional impact of this transformation extends beyond aesthetics. Creating Japandi shelving from pallet wood cultivates a deeper appreciation for resourcefulness and creativity. It demonstrates that luxury is not defined by cost, but by care. By investing time and skill rather than money, makers achieve outcomes that rival high-end retail pieces. For small workshops or home-based artisans, this approach also holds economic promise. Pallet wood is often freely available, and when refined into sophisticated shelving, it can command premium prices due to its sustainable narrative and distinctive design. Buyers seeking authenticity and environmental consciousness find value in such pieces, especially when they align with contemporary minimal interiors. In modern homes, Japandi shelving crafted from reclaimed pallets introduces balance. It softens stark architecture, complements neutral palettes, and grounds spaces with organic warmth. Whether installed in living rooms, kitchens, or bedrooms, these shelves create a canvas for mindful display. Their subtle presence encourages intentional styling, reinforcing the philosophy that less truly is more. The juxtaposition of industrial origin and serene outcome becomes a metaphor for transformation itself, suggesting that beauty often lies dormant beneath surface roughness. The journey from pallet to polished shelf reveals a broader truth about sustainable design. Waste is often a matter of perspective. By stripping away grime and reshaping raw boards with precision, we uncover forms that align seamlessly with modern tastes. The fluid silhouettes achieved through careful cutting and sanding contrast strikingly with the wood's previous roughness, underscoring the power of craftsmanship. Each shelf stands as evidence that discarded shipping materials can transcend their utilitarian beginnings and become functional art. Ultimately, turning industrial pallet wood into Japandi-style shelving celebrates both humility and aspiration. It honors the wood's origins while guiding it toward a refined future. Through disciplined refinement and minimalist vision, Reclaimed pine sheds its industrial identity and embraces a serene, high-end presence. This transformation embodies sustainable luxury, proving that sophistication arises not from extravagance, but from thoughtful reinvention. In crafting shelves that balance rugged texture with minimalist precision, we redefine what modern decor can be, inviting homes to experience tranquility rooted in conscious creativity. Thank you for spending your time with Decor ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.